So we're working with Crystal Bridges Museum to help send art kits to students around the NWA area and beyond that as well. The museum has wanted to put an emphasis on ensuring that students still get a chance to get excited about art and to learn about art. So our project with them is to help create these kits and to create them in a faster manner so that they can produce them for all the students that are going to get them here in the next few months. So we've actually spent a lot of time learning about different Kata Principles, and which is based on Toyota's processes. The Kata Principles teach you to kind of do single experiments to help you achieve a certain target condition. The scientific thinking of it is just kind of by doing one simple iteration at a time, you can see if that iteration actually was beneficial to the process or not. And if it wasn't, then you go back, redo the iteration and try something different. And if that iteration improves it, you keep it in process and then move on into a different iteration. So this kind of idea of just simple single iterations at a time is what we're really trying to work on to make the process overall more efficient as a whole. As we've learned, it's very tedious to go through each of these different steps at the start of it, and it's very repetitive and very just kind of at certain times feels unnecessary, but it's building that routine of how to set an atmosphere of process improvement. And by doing so, you allow yourself to, in the future, just not even worry about those questions that we're asking or the steps that we're taking. It's just inherent in your brain that you're just going to be continually improving the process without even thinking about it. One of the first kits that we were working on, we just kind of, in the beginning, didn't really know what to do. We didn't really know what improvements to try to make. We didn't really know what was going on. But then we kind of got into this rhythm as a team of going through these different processes and different questions and scientific thinking that we're doing. And we hit just a rhythm of working together, and we were able to create significant improvement in the first kit. And that's something that we've tried to carry on to these next couple kits that we've been working on. But that first kit, once we kind of finally got into a rhythm and got moving, that was kind of what I thought was the coolest part so far. It's a cool classroom experience because it's not a normal classroom experience at all. And obviously in the time of COVID, classroom experiences are completely different, but we're getting a chance to work with a true industry partner in their setting at all times, which is something that I've never had a chance to do in any other class, and I'm sure most classes don't get the chance to do. So getting this hands-on experience of working with an industry partner and having a actual impact on what they're trying to do for students around the area is just really cool to me, and it's something that I didn't expect to get this semester at all.